In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize packing slip in Zoho Books. After successfully accessing the Zoho Books homepage, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate on the upper right corner of the screen and simply navigate to the settings or gear icon. When you click this will then direct you to the list of settings that you can apply modifications and changes inside your Zoho Books organization. Under the card sales, simply navigate to packaging slips in the items. When you go here, this will then direct you to the initial template of your packaging slips, wherein it will allow the user to create some changes and modifications or to basically customize the packing slips based on the preference or based on the need of the business. So in here, you can change the document title, the date field, the description, transaction number, item, quantity, and you can also add reference field, bill to, which is the recipient of the bill, delivery recipient, customer notes as well, signature, and balance due. After applying the changes in here and customizing this, you can simply click save. And now you have successfully configured your packing slip. And that's about it. That's how to customize packing slip in Zoho Books. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.